Do you want a free equalizer? Well, you're going to get a free one. A plugin, of course. They're not giving away hardware for free. But yes, because of what's going on right now, here is a freebie plugin, the SW34 EQ Mark II, which is based on this console right here. The EQ in the console, I should say. And some call this the poor man's API console. And I don't know about all that, but I have read different reviews about this plugin and people like it. So they're giving away this plugin and awesome. All you have to do is sign up for an account, add the plugin to your cart, and then use the coupon code, which I will link to below. And also, while you're checking that out, by the way, there's the coupon code. While you're checking that out, HoRNet have released a brand new equalizer today. And it looks a little familiar. But I tell you what, I think it might be legit. I will eventually probably review this plugin. I like HoRNet. HoRNet is like one of those companies that I don't think they get enough credit for what they do. They're, they're not like one of these big shots like Waves or Slate Digital or Softtube, but they make good stuff. They make good utilities, and apparently their equalizers are good as well. So they might be worth checking out. You can demo this plugin. And if you want to buy it, it's 28 bucks. Not too bad considering the cost of other similar plugins. So this one aims to just be, a good workhorse plugin that you can use on all your different tracks. So, and yes, there is a demo. So that's good. And that's about it. I will link to both of these websites below so you can check them out very easily. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the finger that's bigger, or wider I should say, but shorter than the rest of them. Except maybe the pinky. I think the pinky's shorter. Anyway, have a good day everybody.